Good day guys, my name is JC. So in this video I'll be showing you on how you can create a playlist, add videos in the playlist, remove the videos in the playlist, edit your playlist and also delete your playlist. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please like, share and subscribe and I welcome you. So let's dive into it. Now this is your YouTube interface, either your PC or your phone. This is the same method you can do the playlist. So you come down to where you have your U on your phone or on your PC, click on the U. When you click on the U, come down to where you have uh, this plus sign. Click on the plus sign and let's choose a title for our playlist. I see the two more. Yeah, that is the title of our playlist, little more. For visibility, you can make it public for general view, unlisted. Now this unlisted is when you send or you share um the link to someone. So it's only the people you share the link to can access the video in the playlist. So when you make it private, it's only for your own personal view. So let's make it private. Wait. So this is our little more. For you to add videos to it, if you click on add videos on this pencil icon, edit playlist. I want to change the title of our playlist. Here is how we can change it. Add description to it and also change the privacy or the visibility. Let's add description to it. Spam of super monk. The great save. So I have to refresh. Can you see spam monk? So if you want to delete the playlist, then come to these three dots here. Click on it, then you have your delete playlist. Now to add videos in this section, to add videos, these are the videos that you created or that you uploaded in your channel that you can add to this playlist. So what you are going to do is just to tap on it and remove to where you have add videos, then you click on add videos. Now to add normal videos, like the random videos on your YouTube channel or other people videos, is all you just have to do is to click on home and scroll to any videos you want to add to the playlist. And let's take a random video. Yeah, click on these three dots here. Can you see the cursor? Then you go to where we have saved playlist. Then click on little mark it. Then automatically is there. So let's save another video so you can see. So you guys, please make sure you like. I beg of you, share and subscribe. Trust me, you won't regret coming to this channel. So to add another video, just come to these three dots here, like we did previously. Save the playlist, then little mark. So the list here is the playlist I have created. Yeah. So you go back to where you have your U and can you see little more two videos. Little more two videos. Then when you click on it,
Are you looking for an interior designer for your villa project?
Sure. So these are the list of videos that we just added to our little more playlist. So you can just click on one of it to play. So I'll be showing you guys now on how you can remove the videos from your playlist. So all you have to do is come to this three icon or these three dots on the video you want to delete. Click on it and go to where you have remove from playlist. Automatically it's being removed. Same thing, you are removing the two videos. Click on the three dots, remove from playlist. Automatically is being removed. Now we have to go to our playlist and see if we still have the little mug. We still have some videos. Now in the little mug playlist that we created, can you see no videos? No videos in it. Why? Because we've removed the videos that we posted in the playlist. So for us to delete the playlist, on the playlist, yeah, the three dots on it, click on it, then you have your edits and delete, then click on delete. So our playlist is gone. So that's how you can create your playlist, add videos to it, remove videos, and also delete your playlist. So thank you guys for watching. Please do well to support your help by liking, sharing, subscribing to this channel. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.